Hi, I am doing a quick video on Wi-Fi network. On this video, I am going to show you how to bypass any Wi-Fi network, in a sense to crack the Wi-Fi network in case you have forgotten your password. But remember, this video is just for educational purpose. So we start. I am going to exit from here. Good, you clear the screen. Now here I am going to start the error dump ng argument to detect all the networks around me. So I am going to write error dump -ng followed by my adapter name. I press enter. If you can see right now, I am detecting all the networks around me. So finally, I have detected my target network. I am going to press Ctrl C to quit. Good. So now, if you can see here, these are networks. This Kanye at Cybertech. This is my target here. Although you can see many networks listed as Kanye, but this one at Cybertech is my target. So I am going to run error dump ng on this specific network. So what I will do is I will write error dump ng argument error dump BSS ID. So I am coming here to copy my BSS ID because I am too lazy to write it. This is the second one here. I paste it. So the channel argument, that's channel. This is the channel argument. So if you can see here, the third one here. The third one here is operating on the channel 1. So the channel argument and the dash right argument to store the file on a specific folder. So I am going to name the folder as double PA dash handshake, followed by my interface name. I am going to press enter. So as you can see, before we have here many networks, but at this moment I am specifying on this specific network, which is Kanye at Cybertech. So now here we are going to wait until a device is connected to this network. We are going to receive a handshake, which is a data from the network here. But we can run two fake authentication to get the handshake from the network. But in order to save time, I am going to connect a device manually to get the handshake so we can run the attack. Automatically, if we have a device here, we are going to receive the handshake. Good, we have received the handshake here. So I am going to press Ctrl C to quit. So good. So now in this point, I am going to run aircrack ng to crack the password of this Wi-Fi network. So I'm going to write aircrack -ng followed by the file we captured. So the file we captured, I'm going to write AP. It was PA, yeah, PA. But if we are not so, you can come here and list your home. You come here. If you can see here, this is the file here we captured from the networks. We captured all this file, but the data that's transmitted from the network is here. This is the data that we capture. So I am going to run aircraft ng to crack the password of this Wi-Fi network. So I am going to write crack sorry, I got that ng WPA, it's a WPA dash handshake. That's handshake. 01 dot cap plus the database which I create, which is the word list. So I am going to write the argument, which is dash w for the to direct to the database, which I call as test 2019. So I am going to press enter. So as you can see, automatically the key is found. This doesn't run any, it's less than a second, the key is found. As you can see, this is the key of this Wi-Fi network.